Alright, figured I'd get around to trying to get the oil motored up on this Lasko 3154 that you saw, and it did kind of need oil, but unfortunately these motor covers are sometimes hard to get off. I kind of had to do a little work. I have to take a Dremel and finish that up to make the hole a little wider, but I didn't want to go all hacky slashy with it because I also want to keep it as nice as possible. But things happen, and they usually do. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna see what we can do, or something. I don't know. I can't think straight. There's a concert going on outside. So yeah. Alright, best part about these small bolts right here, like right there, you can usually use one of those interchangeable bit screwdrivers and they'll fit. So kind of like universal. Now this obviously has not been taken service for a long time, and I'm hoping I don't break it, because if it breaks, well then game over, and I'm not getting anywhere with this. Yay! I'm getting nowhere with this. So it looks like I'm gonna have to get the big guns. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to get a socket. And like I said, I don't need size, I need more torque. And torque is something that, well, we need it. We need more torque in life. Okay, this is not definitely going to work. I swear, if I'm just going to have to oil, I mean, I like to re-grease the gears too, but since it looks like I can't get that, because I mean, Lasko made these to where they can't be serviced by the average person. It's like, oh, your fan's messed up. Oh, take it to one of our shops. And then they realize, hey, you can get another fan cheaper for what we fixed for this. You know what, I'm just going to probably put oil in it and be done. I mean, I swear. I mean, that other one worked. I mean, I got the oil re-greased and everything, but looks like I won't be able to do that. So, find the oil. And we're still rolling. Huh. We're still rolling. Oh well. And now I got some on the winding. How nice. So, not only when I plug this in and fire it up, you'll see a flamethrower, which after all, you know, I'm going to have to take the front cage off and everything, so stand by for that. Alright, as you can see, I got the front, in fact, I got everything taken off, so. I know they said that these are permanently lubricated, but all I can say is permanently lubricate my butt. Because, I mean, that's what they get you. It's like, hey, I won't have to oil a fan like the old days. No, you don't. You still have to. I mean, so the sad part is maybe a lot of these died because people didn't oil them because they thought permanent lubrication was a thing. Well, yeah. Now it's no longer a thing. You gotta keep the oil motored up. So okay. Do not attempt what I'm doing. In fact, like I said, do not try this at home. I'm not a professional. I'm only doing this to get the oil inside and here we go. Still sounds a little clattery, but at least it's a little better. Yeah. Well, somebody may have to call Channel 7 on this because I am a fucking idiot. Because what happened, for some reason, I don't know why, I mean, I always thought counterclockwise, left foot loosey, righty tighty. Remember that? Instead, this one is righty loosey, lefty tighty. That is just so damn dumb. I mean, seriously, what the hell? I mean, okay. Sometimes I have to question everything I do, and that's not a good thing. Because sooner or later, they say anything I say can be used against me. Get this bolt off. Stand by. Yeah, that looked nice. Very little grease. So, yeah. So it shows that, well, like I said, this fan hasn't been used very much, but they tend to, and when they do get used, they get used up and then thrown away. Kind of sad, really. So I'm going to pop the gear off, clean it, and then put some fresh grease in. Fresh grease. So, yeah, stand by for that. Small change of plan. I'm just going to dollop it as it is because, well, why the hell not? And then we're going to gently work it. Put the grease in because we can, and we don't know the rest of the plan. I don't know the rest of the song. And I don't know either. Just put a little bit more and then cap it up. go. And then we're gonna put this back in. Remember, lefty-tighty, which is retarded. Excuse my language. Don't want too tight because I might have to get into this again. Okay. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run it without a load, so... Still sounds grindy, but... Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put everything back together. Yay, me. And you're seeing this. And for those watching, I appreciate it. For those just skimming through, well, that's your call. I don't really give a flip. And for those just tuning in, shame on you. I'm trying to figure out how this went. Well, great news, it's not chattering as bad. I should have gotten deeper into the bearings, but it's kind of hard to do that with this, so... I really need to order a zoom spout, and I keep saying that, and I don't do it. Okay. Alright. I'm not going to film putting the cage back on, so... yeah. Okay, it's back together, re-greased, a couple drops of oil. Hopefully it'll go for another 50 years or so. I won't bore you with the details. Here's how. And we're running 51 watts. It's still a little high on the amperage, but it'll go down hopefully. Or this was miscalculated because this was when we were still running 110, 115 volts, and low. Which is quiet. I'm running 5400s of an amp and 34 watts. Okay, still stuttered right there, but Might be a missing tooth, which it happens. Just been no time now. Still not perfect by my standards, because I like long spin downs, but you take what you get. It's not chattering. I think this will be good. No, hell with it. I'm going to end this video right now. I mean, you've seen too much. I've done too much. I'm tired. I need a beer. I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. Comment, Box Open.